Father, remove this cup from me.
Nevertheless, let your will be done and not mine.
The wife when Jesus and goes back in table at still dozing off.
Hey, wake up, Melala! Why you asleep? Please, arise so that you may not fall into temptation.
Jesus is seen entering with, leading out with the gun. Judas approached Jesus, he sent him a signal to the soldiers who then moved forward to arrest him.
No, Peter! What have you done? Put your sword down.
Aligogomewa Bwana msalabani, kofia ya miba Bwana.
Jesus is then led to the Pilate, going for his trial.
Alibeba matusi makali, Bwana Yesu alitusiwa, aibu za dunia Bwana Yesu alibeba.
What has he done? Mnataka nifanyie nini?
Crucify him! Crucify him! Crucify him! Mkuki alichomwa, wanakavumilia, alitemewa mate.
In grief. His mother is still there mourning.
Aibu za dunia Bwana Yesu alibeba, matusi makali Bwana Yesu alitusiwa, aibu za dunia Bwana Yesu alibeba, matusi makali Bwana Yesu alitusiwa, alitemewa mate, kapigwa mijeredi, mkuki
Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani. My God, why have you forsaken me?
kapigwa mijeredi.
My life I give unto you.